What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, we are going to give you an update about the Kobe money, how the project is doing. Okay, the DApp it's finally live. You can finally buy the beef token. Okay, guys. So we can see there over here on the TG group that they announced the launch of the beef token. Okay, guys. So the beef token is going to be the governance token. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the Kobe Money Protocol, it's going to be a DAO, okay? It's going to be fully decentralized, and the people that owns Beef Token will have the power over the protocol, okay? The more Beef Tokens you have, the more control and voting power you will have, okay? So yesterday, 27th of October 2023, they have launched the Beef Token, okay, guys? And now you can purchase the Beef token on SushiSwap, Arbitrum network, and you can also purchase the Beef token on the Kobe app. Okay, so if you purchase the Beef token on the SushiSwap, this platform right here, you will pay a 10% tax. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, so if you come over here to the page, we can see that there is a discount. Okay, so if you purchase on a sushi swap, you can see the contract address right here. You will pay 10% tax on buy and 10% tax on sales. But if you, let me just plug in, if you purchase on the Kobe app, okay, the tax will be a bit different. Okay, the tax will be, instead of 8%, 10%, you will pay 8.5%. So you'll be saving 1.5% in taxes, okay? And also, you can take advantage of temporary referral system and receive 0.5% from every buy made using your referral link out of those 8.5. Okay, so now today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy from SushiSwap and how to buy from the Kobe app. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is you got to copy the right address right there. So come over here to the Kobe app and you can see the contract address for the beef token. Okay, once you got the contract address, make sure you connect your wallet, make sure that you are connected to the Arbitrum network. Okay, and then all you got to do is select the token that you want to swap, either Ethereum or USDT, for example. Okay, and then you come over here and you have to select the token. Okay, so obviously the beef token is here right now because I did already, but you won't have it. So you gotta paste the contract address of the token right there, and you select the beef token, and the beef token will pop up right there. And then all you gotta do is enter the amount. So let me just swap my wallet, enter the amount, and let me connect this one. Okay, so all you gotta do is enter the amount. So for example, in this case, let's say 25 bucks, and 25 bucks will give me this amount of beef. All I have to do is approve first, and then I will have to do the swap. Okay, essentially that's that. Okay, so let me go over to the Kobe app. Okay, to enter the Kobe app, all you gotta do is launch the app. It comes over here to this dashboard. Let me just quickly show you the dashboard. Looks really, really cool. Okay, the current market cap is 945,000 bucks. Okay, over here we can see the beef price, 0.000000945. Stake supply. So stake supply is not live yet. So stake supply is going to be a stable coin. Okay, it's going to be pegged to $1. Okay, so it's going to be worth $1. And this is going to be the stable coin of the whole protocol. Okay, guys, so the stake token will be live in about, I don't know, 20 days, 25 days. They will give us an update about the stake token when we get closer to the launch date. Okay, so we can see the treasury balance is 34,000 bucks, and we can see the down liquidity is 99.96%. And we can see that beef appreciation since launch is 793%. So that's a 7x. Okay, quickly, let me show you the price chart, which is amazing. Okay, guys, this thing launched yesterday. And if you manage to cut to buy the token from around here, imagine how many X's you made so far. And this is just the beginning, guys. Okay, so in the last 24 hours made 6%. Woo! So this is beef wrapped ETH, okay, and this is beef USDT, okay, guys. So yes, this is just the beginning, okay. So liquidity on the USDT is 161,000, and liquidity on ETH is 163,000. We can see that we got 149 holders on this one. In this one, we got 149 holders as well. Okay. So buying the token. So swap. You come over here to swap. Okay. And I'm gonna swap my USDT for the COB token. Okay. Over here, um, you don't have to enter the amount, the contract address, because you already got the contract address right there. Okay, all you got to do is hit swap and you get it. Okay, so we got 226 something. Okay, over here we got 26 355 400, and over here we got 26 355 406. Okay, as you can see, we got a little bit of a difference because of that 1% tax. Okay, so all you got to do, let me connect my wallet, my ledger. Okay, all you got to do is hit approve. Okay, you hit approve, MetaMask will pop up. Okay, and will ask you to customize your spending cap. So in this case, I'm going to spend 25 bucks. So I'm going to adjust my spending cap to 26 bucks just to get through this transaction. Okay, let me just connect my ledger. It's been a minute since the last time I used my ledger. Okay, cool. I'm in. So we're gonna say next. Yes, we're gonna approve right there. We're gonna review the transaction. And we're gonna say yes. Make sure that you got some ETH on your MetaMask, because every time you do a transaction, you on Arbitrum network, you will use ETH. Okay, make sure you got ETH to pay for the gas fees. Okay, so that one is done. So we already approved the USDT. So now we're gonna hit buy. So we hit buy, and all you gotta do is confirm that you're gonna swap your USDT for the COB tokens. Okay, and essentially that's that. So you come over here, hit confirm. Okay, confirming on the ledger as well, and we got the token. Okay, so if you want to add the token to your MetaMask wallet, all you got to do is come over here, import tokens. You paste the token address right there. Okay, and MetaMask will recognize the beef token, etc. Okay, so we hit next, and we can see that balance is there. So we hit import, and now you can see that I have this amount of beef right there. Okay, guys. So essentially, that's that. So you can buy from SushiSwap, or you can buy from the COB Money app right there. And in the future, the stake option will be available, where you're going to be able to stake your COB tokens to earn yield on it. Okay, guys, this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. And let's see how far this protocol will go. Okay, guys, I believe that this thing might do really, really well, because the bull market is around the corner. Everything's starting to pump, and this one will be no different. Okay, so yes, for more updates, just come over here to the TG group. Link's going to be down in the description, so you can stay up to date about what's coming next and how to benefit from this protocol. Okay, guys, that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.